So yeah, the radio is now installed, and let me check how it works. So here's the power button, and hello. Great. So Bluetooth mode, aux mode, tuner, and you have here the different channels. Set sorry, okay, the tuner. Second, third. Okay, here you can search the other stations. Here you have the bass, treble, okay, the fader, front, behind, loudness, mono, stereo, colors, yellow, blue, again, bass, treble, balance, front, okay, then you have loudness, on, off, rock, here is the different equalizations, sorry, let's go again.
This is the colourful sound of London calling, con Mimo Caccamo su Radio Capolispia.
Okay, try to leave the rock. Okay, again. Mono or stereo. Dates, no colors. Volume again. And this is the whole menu. So again, let's try the different colors again. Blue, purple. Oh, Indiana, I don't know, this is very light blue. Okay, go again. So it goes around very fast, and it's height very fast, so you must be quick. Oh, again, okay. Sorry, but I'm a little bit confused, okay? White, red, okay, automatic will flow. The colors will flow from one to another. So yeah, these are the all colors. Okay, I leave it in green because the dash is green and I leave it in the green. So yeah, here you have the Bluetooth for answering the phone, and here is the answer, and here is the cancel for connections if you have the Bluetooth, if you calling someone. And yeah, this is probably much it. Here you have the USB port and the SD card port right here. Well, it's kind of dark right now, but here it's another port you can see here for SD card. So aux input, very good stuff, and it works great. Really nice stuff. I'm quite impressed with this radio. So yeah, this is it, and stay tuned.